In this video, I want to unbox the Canon PIXMA TR160 with battery, so you get a better idea what's included in the box and also what's not included. So let's get started right away. So on the top over here, we're going to have a compartment. Inside, we're going to find a power adapter in case you do not want to use the battery and you want to plug it directly in a wall outlet. You're going to have this option. Over here we have the other part of the cable. We're going to have one color ink cartridge, Canon 36, and one black only ink cartridge, Canon 35. There is also a USB cable that is USB type A to USB type C in case you want to connect it directly to a computer. And in this package, we're going to find the print heads for the printer. If we continue the unboxing, right over here, we're going to have a series of different manuals to get you started. And right over here, we're going to have the battery that will allow this printer to function without being plugged to anything, to be fully portable. And the battery comes with this small cap that will go over it, so it hides it behind the printer. Otherwise, this is the printer itself. It's a very compact printer that can be easily stored in a drawer when not in usage. To use it, you'll have to open the top lid, and this is where you're going to have access to the paper input, to the small display with buttons, and also the paper output over here. So this is about it. This is all that comes included with this unit. So the battery cover, the ink cartridge, the power cable, the print heads, and also an USB cable with a manual. Thanks for watching. If you want to get this printer, I'll put a link down below in the description. If you want to get it from Amazon, please feel free to check this out. I get a very small commission every time you go through my links, and it helps supporting my channel. See you in the next video.